What's up? Good evening, my big friend, motherfucker. I'm Francisco. It's me here again. Today I'm very tired because I worked very hard. Oh my goodness, I was almost forgetting again. I'm so sorry. I'm very hot-headed. How it's going, my buddy? Did you work very today? Today is my fifth day recording videos in English because I want to improve my vocabulary and my grammar and increase my confidence and a day become fluent in this language. However, I know this is not an easy journey, but I will be able to overcome that. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video, my brother. Sorry, I speak slowly.